Bonnie, happy Wednesday. Check it out. We just launched campaign 25 on Avon. We are smack dab in the middle of Christmas. Oh my goodness. So much good stuff. So if you're just joining me, I am an online Avon rep. All my information is below. And if you want to sign up for my e-coupons, I do have the links below for that. So right now, we are doing the 12 days of deals. Today, you get a free Glimmer Stick lip product if you spend $60. Every day there'll be a new deal, so definitely check in. Plus, we have Black Friday coming. So now is the time to start buying your Christmas presents. So I just want to quickly go over some of the amazing products in campaign 25. First one is this Santa Central. I actually don't have this. It looks super cool. It's kind of a light up musical, kind of like decorative Santa display. I'm getting the gnome. I can't wait to show you guys the gnome, the Christmas ornaments. The big thing in this catalog that Avon is starting to promote for the holidays is the Belief line. I've sent out a lot of Belief samples. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is the best Christmas gift ever. Korean Beauty. It comes in this cute little TSA friendly zip up pouch. You get 4 products. And I have to say, oops, I just dropped this. I love the Belief products. I use 3 skincare lines. I use the vitamin C warming scrub. I use the Esonox Anew serum and cream. And then I also use Belief. I absolutely love Belief. This is my go-to favorite jelly cleanser of all time. So Belief products are actually free of synthetic dyes, fragrance, mineral oil, animal products, parabens, sulfates, or phthalates. So really nice product. Korean Beauty. The Aqua Bomb is one of their best sellers. It instantly adds moisture to my face. Got a light, you know how Fragrance Free has that like light, clean scent? That's what this one has. I'm actually addicted to this scent. It smells so good. So if you're looking to try Belief, now is the time to do it because it's $20 for the 4 tried products, or this is a great thing to gift somebody. So I would definitely consider picking one of those up if you want to try the Belief. What else do I have here? Oops. Oh, the new Emerald collection. Oh my gosh, I was so excited. I got the Emerald necklace. This is really fun jewelry for holidays. I mean, look at this. It's like a rhinestone with like this faux, like green gemstone that looks like an emerald. I think it's so much fun, actually. I wore this over Halloween. Look at how pretty it is. I might get the bracelet, too. The bracelet's super pretty. Oh my gosh, these rings, you guys, are one of my all-time favorite products from Avon in terms of rings. So much pretty Christmas stuff. Okay, what else was I going to show you guys in here? Oh, don't forget to order your perfumed skin softeners in the classic scent. $3.99, best Christmas present ever. Stocking stuffers, the hand sanitizers are buy one, get one free. Gonna want to pick up a couple of those. Don't forget your Paris-themed products. And then I wanted to show you the A-Box that we have right now. So it's kind of, there's a Christmas one coming next campaign, but this one's kind of like a wintry one. And in this one, you actually get some really nice products. We get a Korean Beauty, the Therapy Anti-Aging Formula. Oops, you can't really see that very good because of my lighting. This is the Oil Drop Anti-Aging Facial Serum. You get one of the Therapy. This is the Anti-Aging Formula. Oh my gosh, my lighting is just terrible right there. You also get a full-size flat velvet lipstick in, I think this is Cassis Red. I haven't even taken this out of the package yet. I'm so excited to see this one. Like I said, this is all their Korean Beauty collection. Oh my gosh, I hate when I'm on camera and I'm trying to undo packaging because I do such a poor job with it. Gotta say one thing for Avon, they do package everything really, really well. I'm determined to get it off. There, I did it. Okay. So check this out. Of course, I can't spin it up now. Look at this. It's actually really pretty. I thought it would be a little dark on me. It's actually not bad. So here's the color. Check out that shade. Perfect red for Christmas. Really nice shade. So you get the full size in there. The A-Box, if you spend $40, the A-Box is going to be an additional $10. So the smartest thing to do is to spend $50, put your A-Box in there. That'll get you up to $60. You'll get the free shipping, and then you'll get the A-Box, and then you can use a coupon code for the daily deals and get another extra little surprise. We also get a VDL Luma Layer Primer in this A-Box. Check it out, which is also a good deal. These are big samples too. I know in some of the beauty boxes, like you get a sample, it's like this big. These are nice size samples, which is really nice. So this could be a Christmas gift itself. So that is the A-Box for this month, or this campaign. What else do I have to say? Oh my gosh. Like I said, definitely sign up for the e-coupons with me, www.queenofthegirlgeeks.com, and watch the daily deals and keep your eye out for Black Friday, because oh my gosh, you guys, lots of good stuff coming. If you want to see reviews on all of these holiday products, go through my Christmas playlist, because I reviewed just about everything. The little mice, the advent calendar, the greenhouse, the nutcracker, so much good stuff for Christmas. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome Wednesday. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.